This is our 24th lecture and we will see methods, subroutines and functions in C Sharp. Basically in C Sharp, methods and functions are same. A method is a group of statements that together perform a task. It is generally a language construct that allows you to split a large task into smaller pieces. Every C# program has at least one class with a method named main. To use a method, you need to define a method and call the method. The general syntax is access specifier, the return type, method name, the parameter list, and the method body, where access specifier determines the visibility of a variable or a method from another class. Return type is the data type of the value the method returns. If method doesn't return a value, then return type is void. Method name is a unique identifier and is a case sensitive. It cannot be same as any other identifier declared in the class. Parameter lists are used to pass and receive data from a method. The parameter list refers to the type, order and number of parameters in a method. Parameters are optional, that is, method may not contain any parameter. And the method body contains the set of instructions needed to complete the required activity. There are different ways for calling a method. If an access specifier is a static and return type is void, you can directly call a method in main. For example, here I have declared a class with method name. To execute this in directly a main method, you can call the method name. If the access specifier is other than static, that is public or private, and if there is no return value, then you can create an object of a class and then call a method. For example, here is a class assignment with a public method name. To execute this, create an object of a class assignment as a C and to execute the method use c.method name. If the access specifier is other than static, that is public or private, and if there is a return value with a method, then create an object of a class and then call a method. For example, here a class assignment with a public integer method name and a return value with that method. To execute this, I have declared a variable a, created the object of class assignment as a C, and the value returned by a method is stored in a and then it is printed with writeLine method. Or you can directly writeLine method, you can directly write c.method name.